In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text to bottom in Figma. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Sign in if you need to, so you land on your workspace. From here, look for the All Projects view. This gives you a clean overview of your files, which makes it easy to pick the right place to work. Open the project where you want to add or adjust text. Once your file is open on the canvas, we'll add a text layer. Select the text tool from the toolbar or press the T key as a shortcut. Then click once on the canvas to place your text cursor. This creates a text box right where you click and gets you ready to type. Type your text into the new text layer. It can be a heading, a label, or a paragraph, whatever you need. If you want to see the effect of bottom alignment clearly, it helps to add at least 2 lines or increase the height of the text box so there's space above. Next, highlight the text. You can drag to select it or simply select the text layer in the Canvas or Layers panel. With the text selected, turn your attention to the right-hand sidebar. This is the Properties panel, and it's where all of your text controls live. Find the text section. You'll see options for font, size, line height, and alignment. Within alignment, you have 2 sets of controls, horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. We're focusing on vertical alignment. Look for the icons that represent top, middle, and bottom. Click the bottom alignment icon to align your text to the bottom of its text box. This tells Figma to position the content at the lower edge, leaving any extra space above. If you don't see the vertical alignment controls, here's a quick tip. Make sure your text box has a height to align within. Switching the text box from auto width to fixed size or dragging the handles to give it more height will reveal the vertical alignment options. This isn't an extra step, just a helpful adjustment so the setting appears as expected. After you set align bottom, test it by resizing the text box vertically. You'll notice the text stays anchored to the bottom, which is perfect for maintaining consistent baselines in components, headers, or cards. And if your text sits inside a frame or auto layout, remember that those container settings can also affect positioning, so keep an eye on how everything interacts. That's it. You went to Figma, opened your project, created and selected your text, and in the text section on the right, set the vertical alignment to bottom, save your file, and you're good to go.